Hey guys, welcome to another video by Console Service Center where we show you how to repair your gaming consoles. In this video, we're going to show you how to repair your CD drive on your PS4 console. So if your PS4 is not taking in discs or ejecting discs, this video will show you what the problem could be and how you can fix it. This is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to show you all the ins and outs on how to service your drive. I'll actually do that on another video for you guys, because that's also very important to service your disk drive once a year at least. That just helps so that the gears don't wear out there. But on this video, it's going to be mainly why your PS4 is not taking discs or ejecting discs. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification with a thumbs up. So every time we bring out a new video, especially on all the repairs that you could do yourself, you can get notified through YouTube, and you'll be able to see more videos on repairs on PS4s and Xboxes. Alright, now that we got the drive on the table, we've got the camera set up, now we can show you quickly how to start opening the drive. So let's take out these two screws at the top here. Sometimes drives will have a couple more screws. Let me just zoom in quickly for you so you can see what they look like more or less. Let's just get the camera at the right spot here. Alright. If you have a look, there's one screw right there. Let's just get you into the center there. You'll see it's like a little silver Phillips star screwdriver. We call it star screwdriver here in South Africa. So all we do is we just need to loosen those two screws. So let's quickly pop those out. This drive, like I say, has only got the two of them. Some drives have a few more. They're usually quite flat. They got like a flat head on them. Okay, so if you see that, you know those are the screws. Usually there's only those screws that take it off. Then when you do lift the drive, when you take the cover off, that's the front. That's where the jaws open up, and that's the back where the flex is usually off. So you pick it up in the back end, the back, you lift it up, all right, and you slide it away from you. Okay, so that's when you expose the drive. Now just be very careful when you busy with it. I'm not going to touch this because it will damage it. See if I can find something a bit lighter so you guys can see on the camera. I'm just going to take one of these bugs. This is your laser unit. You don't want to touch that eye there. If you touch that eye, you could dirty it and it will not read games after that, okay, or any of your discs. So just be careful of that when you're working on the drive. Zoom you back out again. So the biggest problem on these drives is what will happen is these two rollers here usually jump out. So what happens is, that's what the drive looks like. As soon as the disc starts getting inserted, let's just take a disc here. As soon as you put a disc in, let's just do that. If you put a disc in, these jaws open up, and what will happen is you can see those rollers there. Those rollers would start pulling in the disc. Okay. Then I know the disc is the wrong way around. Don't worry about that. But then once the disc gets to that position, the actual disc tray, the drive or the lasers, let's call it the lasers tray would lift up. This whole section would lift up. That would push it onto this magnet here, and the disc would start spinning. Okay, I'm touching the laser, but don't touch the laser because you could damage it. Okay, this is an old drive. And then what happens is the disc would start moving, the laser would start moving left and right, and that would start reading the discs. Okay, so that's how the drive works. But your main problem, if you can't insert your discs, is usually these two rollers here. They're very simple to put back. So I'm just going to demonstrate here quickly. What will usually happen is one of them would jump out. There's a little U piece here that they just clip into, and this side's got a little hole. So it just goes into the little hole there, and then it would, so when you're putting it back, I'm just going to use that because it's white, you can see it a bit better. But if it does jump out, you just push it into that little hole. Make sure that little center piece that holds the two gears in place is clipped in to both of them, and then you just clip it down on this side here. Same goes with this side. It's just got a little gear that runs here that actually turns the rollers. That little piece joins them to make them turn together, and then that is connected to a motor. Let me just clip one of these out. I'm going to clip it out just to do a demonstration for you guys quickly. There we go. Oh, it usually jumps out like that. I just hope I haven't lost the little clip now. Okay, there we go, got it. So that's the little clip that holds the two little rollers together. So that would just basically go back inside there, and before you could actually clip it back down on this end, you'd have to get it back into that part there first, okay? And then you just clip it into the back end of this side first, make sure it's in that little hole there, and then you can put your finger underneath there just to clip it down. You could actually hear a clip there. Alright, so that's it. So usually that would be your problem, is that your rollers have clipped out, and that's why it can't take the disc. Because especially if one of the rollers have clipped out, it could be stuck at a funny position and the disc wouldn't go in. And that would be the same for your disc ejecting. It would get stuck. So if one of the rollers are jumped out, and let's say the roller is standing skew, it would be in the way, and it wouldn't be able to eject the disc. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope that you know, you can get yours fixed by yourself. Again, like I said, it just clips in there, clip it in, and you just clip it back in again. So once you've got that little white piece in between, if you don't see that little white thing that connects the two rollers, it could have gone inside the drive. There's little holes here behind the laser. Just shake it around a little bit, just hold some of the things, just shake it, hear if you can hear any noise, then it's probably lying inside the drive, inside somewhere. Just shake it, it could go underneath these roller sections here, but just shake it until you hear, and then just throw it out. And once you got it out, just put it into the center again. It's very seldom that both rollers would clip out. It's usually just the one side or the other that usually clips out. And once you clip that back in, it will take discs and everything again. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more repairs like this, we're going to do the next video on a full disc service, disc drive service. Subscribe to our channel, like this video just for the Google algorithm, so they can see you know that we're doing videos and that you guys are liking them. And yeah, let's grow this channel, and let me, you know, if I see you guys like what we're doing here, I'll do a couple more videos, and then we can do a whole lot more stuff, you know, so we can do more videos on this. Sorry about the phone there. And then you guys, I'll show you guys how to repair these things, what you can repair yourself. So please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you get notified of all the new videos coming out soon. Have an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Cheers. Bye bye.